Hey guitar nerds, Brad from SimpleGuitar.com here. Today we are diving into how to play Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Now this is not going to be a note for note. This is exactly what they're playing on the record. This is to make the song simple for you to be able to strum and play along and have fun. Because one thing that I've learned about adult guitar players who've been trying to play guitar for a long time is that they don't play enough songs. And so today we're going to go over this song. Now this song only has 2 chord progressions and that is it. We've got the verse progression, we've got the chorus progression, that is it. And we're only playing 3 chords. We're going to play a standard open D chord. We're going to play an A chord and a G chord, and that is it. Okay, piece of cake. So now let me show you what the strumming is. I'm actually going to give you 3 different ways that you can strum this. If you're just starting out, what I want you to do is a boom chuck. Now for boom chuck, what you're going to do is you're going to pick the lowest 2, maybe 1 or 2 strings of whatever chord you're playing. So on your D chord, your 4th and 3rd string. And then you're going to, on the next beat, strum the rest of the chord, right? So you're going to go boom, chuck. And we're going to do that on beat 1 and 2, and then again on 3 and 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. That's going to keep it interesting. On A, you're going to play your 4th and 5th string. And on G, you're going to play your 6th and 5th string. Right? You can easily do that throughout the whole song. That's going to be the easiest way to get started. The next way to do this is going to be using down, 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 up, down, up. And that's going to look like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now, if you need to pause that, rewind that, slow it down, try it out, that's okay, you can do it. But the main strum pattern that you're going to get to is actually a modified version of that strum pattern. All we're going to do is we're going to leave out the downstroke on beat number 3, where we're going to go down, down, up, down, up. And that's 1, 2, and 4, and. Rather than playing 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Now the last thing about the strumming is you have to swing your rhythm. That means that we're going to stagger things. If we have 2 eighth notes, we're going to play one longer and the next one short. So we're going to have long, short, long, short, long, short, long. And that's going to make it swing and give it that groovy feel that it has. Now you can practice swinging your strumming just by taking a bunch of eighth notes and strumming them all together on a G chord like this and just going long, short, long, short, long, short, long. And you want to stagger them like this so that everything sounds nice and swung rather than straight going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So throughout the entire song, you're going to swing your rhythm. Now let's talk about the verse chord progression. The verse chord progression is the main chord progression for the song. And what we're going to do is we're going to play D for a measure. And then in the second measure, we're going to split the measure and play A on beats 1 and 2 and play G on beats 3 and 4. And then we're going to play 2 more measures of D. And that's the main chord progression. And we're going to repeat that a lot. Each verse, we're going to play that 4 times. We're going to play it once for the intro. And then we're also going to play it twice during the guitar solo. Now, that is going to sound like this. I'm going to play the main strum pattern that we're going for on this. But when we split our measure from A to G, we're going to boom chuck that by going 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to our strum pattern. So really slowly, the main strum pattern is going to go like this. We're going to go 1, 2, and 4, and A, G, to pause that and repeat it, go right ahead. You can totally do this. Sometimes you just have to go a little bit slower and spend more time playing slow, and that helps you get it faster a lot more easily. The saying that I love is the slower you play, the faster you learn, or the slower you go, the quicker you get there. Now let's do that a little faster. We're going to go 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, Now let's repeat it a little bit faster. So what you need to do is pause, repeat that, and get to where you can just repeat that and repeat it and repeat it and repeat it. Okay, now let's talk about the chorus. The chorus, same 3 chords, but new chord progression. What we're going to do is we're going to go to G for 2 measures, and we're going to play the same strum pattern. And then we go to D for 2 measures. And then A for 1. G for 1, and then D for 2 more measures. So for the whole chorus, we're going to get this: G, D, A, G, D. Let's do that nice and slow, starting on G. 1, 2, 3, go. G, Now, if you need to pause, repeat that, take your time. You can do it. It just takes repetitions, but you can totally get this. Now, that's really it for the song. Those are all the component parts that you need for the song. So let's go over how you're going to play this. I've got a rhythm sheet that I've built for you that you can download for free if you go to simpleguitar.com/badmoonrising, or you can just click the link down below in the description. I've got it there for you. Totally free. I just wanted to make this so that it's accurate, but I do something a little different with my rhythm sheets that I learned years ago, and that is I put the time signature in there. This is in 4/4 time, meaning you've got 4 beats for every measure, so you can really play any rhythm that fits 4 beats. And every time you see a chord name in the rhythm sheet, it means that you're playing that chord for 1 measure, unless you see a split measure like with A and G. So as you're going through this, I put the chords over the lyrics where they go, and I put the correct number. So you're going to see D multiple times when you're playing D for multiple measures. And same thing in the chorus with G. It just makes life easier for you. Now, here's how the song is put together. We play the main chord progression once for the intro. Then we're going to play it 4 times for the first verse. Then we're going to play the chorus. Okay, and the chorus is just 1 time through that progression. Then for the next verse, we're going to play the same chord progression we did for the first 4 times again. Then we go into the guitar solo, which the guitar solo is 2 times through the verse chord progression and then 1 time through the chorus progression. And then we have verse number 3, which is 4 times through the verse progression again. And then our final chorus is actually doubled. So we're going to play the chorus twice and end on D. That's the entire song. So I'm going to turn on the song and play along with it so that you can see how it goes with the music. And then we're going to wrap it up from there. So there you go. That is Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Nice and simple for you to be able to play along. Not a note for note thing, because actually they're playing bar chords. But this way, it's simple and you can just have fun with it, because that's what playing guitar is all about. And I'll tell you one thing, a secret for if you've been trying to learn guitar for a long time and you've been stuck like learning the components of playing guitar with chords and scales and stuff like that, and not a lot of time playing songs, play a lot of songs like this. Okay, go for quantity over quality. Okay, it'll make a huge difference. So take Bad Moon Rising, have fun with it. Remember, you can go get the rhythm sheet for this at simpleguitar.com/badmoonrising for free. My gift to you. Thanks for watching today. And while you're there, you can also get my free guide, The Top 10 Things to Learn on Guitar First, and that'll get you on my mailing list so that you can keep up with more news. I've got some more stuff coming out, like my group coaching program that is going to be launching for everybody here pretty quick. So you'll want to get that so that you can get on the list to hear all about that when it launches here pretty soon. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will catch you in this next lesson over here.